A business is like a complicated mathematical equation with right-hand side and left-hand side. Each side consists of complicated variables. The right-hand side is the market, and the left-hand side is the benefit that you create and how you create it. Today, let's go to the left-hand side. The left-hand side, like I said, consists of complicated variables. One of the variables is the resources. This is very obvious, and that's what most people pay attention to. That's why if somebody wants to start a business, the first thing that they talk about, the first thing that they think they need is capital, because you need capital to acquire the resources. The resources can be materials or human, but that's not what I'm talking about today. Today, I'm talking about another complicated variable on the left-hand side of a business equation, which is the process, the step-by-step activities and process that you will follow to create the benefit for the customer that you want to serve. And most people ignore this. But remember, if you have all the money in the world, if you have enough capital, you can acquire resources, which can be human, intellectual property, or materials overnight. But a process is very difficult to copy. That's why sometimes you see two companies doing almost the same thing, but one is becoming successful and the other is not. Because from the outside, you see the resources that they all have. But from the inside, you don't see the process. The process is what makes the difference. The process is very difficult to copy. There are several routes to get from A to B, but some will be longer and some will be shorter. The same in business. There are several processes to get the same business done, but one process will get you rich quicker and another process will get you poor quicker. And how do you come up with a good process to make sure your company succeeds? This doesn't come overnight. It takes practice, testing like a scientist trying to make a discovery. Once you test and find what works, you keep it. Once you test and find what doesn't work, you throw it away. For example, if you want to come up with a mobile phone company, you can decide to either design the phone, have a factory to manufacture it all by yourself, and sell the phone by yourself. That's one process. I don't know whether it's going to work or not. It depends on the customer and the kind of market you are trying to hit. Or another company can decide, well, I will just design the phone and give it to another company that makes phones to make the phone for me based on my design. And then I will sell it. That's another process. Or somebody could say, well, I'm not going to design the phone at all, and I'm not going to make the phone. I'll only come up with my specifications and give it to a design firm to design for me. Once I like it, I'll give it to a manufacturing company to manufacture the phone for me, and then I'll just sell it. So, for a phone company, there are different processes that you can follow, and what will work and what doesn't work depends on the customer that you are trying to target. So when you are starting a company, don't put all your attention on only the resources. The process is as important, if not more important than the resources, because with money, well, you can acquire resources overnight, but the process takes time, irrespective of how much capital you have. That's why you need to ask yourself whether you are following the right process in your business and if it's making you successful. If you think you are not following the right process or you are struggling in your business, send an email to Obrempong Toku Dum at gmail.com, and me and my team will have the chance to look at your business to help you optimize your process to make sure you become successful as quickly as possible. It's 100% free. If you want to support us, all you need to do is to like and share the show to be part of the Business Creators Movement. And even if you don't want to support us, like and share. After all, it's free. And I'll see you on the other side of success. Bye-bye.